How to use the one-tap screenshot with assistant menu on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then tap on interaction and dexterity. From here, tap on assistant menu, tap on the toggle button to turn it on. So at the moment I have just switched it off. So tap on it to turn it on. Once you see this icon here, you can tap on it and then just tap on the screenshot button, and this will allow you to simply just tap on that one button to take a screenshot. And that's it. So go to the page that you want to take the screenshot, then open up the menu and just tap on it once. And that's it. And that is how you can perform a one-tap screenshot on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.